going to take a quick look at this inexpensive AA and AAA battery case. You can get them pretty cheap on AliExpress for $6 or $7 with free shipping. It's the same case that sells for about $14, $15 on Amazon most of the time, occasionally a little bit less, but AliExpress, if you're willing to wait about 10 days or so, you can get it shipped free, and as low as $5 sometimes, but usually around $6, $7 or so. But it's a solid little case. Just has a single latch click out. Some of the cheaper ones just have the two little small flaps on them. They don't seem to stay together and hold quite as well. The single flap like this tends to be a little more solid click and holds together and won't dump your stuff out. It'll hold 40 AAA batteries in 4 slots here, and then 4x8 with the AA batteries with them. And they're just little foam inserts. You can take the whole foam insert if you want it out, if you want to use this for something else, but all you do is have the little punch outs in here that you can just pop these out, pull it out, and just jam your battery in there. And they hold pretty tight on these. If you flip it upside down, it won't really drop out. It'll keep everything in there, so if you're carrying it, it doesn't rattle. Storing it works really good, but you can also plug these back in and fill the holes if you want to, and it keeps it a little more firm and solid in there. But they work really well. I've used them probably for 2 or 3 years now. They seem, the latches keep staying together well, click solid. The handle holds well. It's pretty good handle. They don't break off. You can see through the batteries on the bottom, categorize them the way you want, label them if you happen to want to label them along the bottom. You can just put stickers on there. The case is about, I think it's 2 3/4. Get this across with it. Just a hair over 2 3/4, and about 6.5 across the top and the width of it. So not a bad little case, but like I said, I'll put some links below to the cheapest version of it I can find, which is around $5 or $6. I'll also put an Amazon in case someone needs one really quick for about 15 or so. But please like and subscribe. Thanks.